Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY is a little bit different. Today I'm going to be making this wall mirror. So this is the mirror that I used. It cost about 15 rand, and 15 rand is about $1. You can get it from any beauty supply store, especially the Chinese or Indian ones. So the first thing that I did was to take out my mirror from the plastic casing. And I also removed that plastic at the back and I just threw that away. So I had to find a way to cut off this little plastic thing, so that I only wanted to remain with the circular part. Then I just cut it away with the scissors. So it was actually much easier to just cut off with the scissors. Then I also cut a piece of cardboard the same size as the plastic ring. Then I made a little hole there, and then I inserted my ribbon through that hole. If I had a different colored ribbon, that would have been much better actually, like maybe gold or white or brown, but that was the only color that I had, so I just had to use that. So this is the loop that I'm going to use to hang it on the wall. Then I now started sticking my bamboo sticks. I got this from the same shop actually. It's an Indian store. Then I just started now sticking my bamboo sticks using a hot glue gun. And I just started sticking them like that and just waiting for them to dry before I turned it. So these are the kind of those little sticks that you use sometimes, like when you want to make kebabs. And they were also very cheap. I think they also cost me 15 rand, the same price as the mirror. Then when I finished sticking all of the sticks, then I now put some hot glue at the back, and then I took my cardboard and then I just stuck it at the back there. Then I now took my spray paint. I got this from ShopRite. It was 40 Rand. Then I went on to spray paint it. So when I was done spray painting, it looked like that. And then now I stuck the mirror on. So that was actually the end of the DIY, and then I just hung it onto my wall, and I actually put this in my bathroom. So this is another mirror that I made a couple of weeks ago, and those are the materials that I used: some cardboard and some spoons. I used about 200 spoons. I bought a pack that had 250 spoons, but I only ended up using 200. And this is the result that I got. But I didn't film this video because there are so many videos, so many YouTube tutorials on how to make this particular kind of mirror. So in case you want to see how it's made, I'm just going to also leave some links below of some videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next. Until